All right, guys, check it out. So Safemoon's down big time, right? All the news that's been coming out, I think, has from the AMA been a little bit disappointing, at least from my scope. I definitely still, obviously, am very heavily invested in the project and truly believe that at the end of the day, there's so much room for Safemoon to grow. Once V2 drops, the exchange drops, Project Phoenix, all these different things that they're dropping. I think it's gonna help revolutionize the crypto space. So for me, I'm still heavily invested in SafeMoon. I still think that it's a big project that has a lot of things to show for it. But right now, market really dictating a little bit otherwise. That whale sold 5 trillion tokens, which is crazy. So obviously that dumped the price about 25%. Definitely ate up that dip. If you look, it looks like obviously it's really kind of come back from that dip a little bit here. The recovery seems a little small, but it's recovering nicely. Um, I don't know how to read too much into the charts and what's gonna dictate what's coming next. I really focus on just looking at what's going on news-wise, what's going on Twitter, some of that landscape. But yeah, just wanted to get on here and really go over what my thoughts are on SafeMoon, since I haven't really. This is really just getting my journey started into the whole YouTube space. Wanted to discuss with you guys what some of my plays are and what I think is going to do well, or at least what I think is doing well in the market, or what might be some good entry points. I've bought SafeMoon at lower points. I've bought it at middle points, and I've certainly bought it above these points. So I've been in it for a little bit now. I'll continue to add to my bag. Not financial advice, just giving you guys what one of my top 5 coins is. I discussed Loopring before. This is, for me, my number one coin, number one project is SafeMoon. So, yeah, guys, come on back and discuss it if you want to. If not, just keep following up on some of the things I got planned. Later.